Good morning, guys. So for today, I wanted you to have a little bit of fun with graphing and coordinate grids because our test is this week. So this is going to be your last time to kind of really get to know how to graph, how to read a coordinate grid. Tomorrow you'll have your review, Wednesday's a makeup day, and then Thursday is the test. So you should have already listened to the little coordinate grid graphing song just as a review of how to graph and a reminder of going across the x-axis first and then the y-axis. And it just shows you another way that you can use graphing in real life. If you're looking at a map or you make your own treasure map, you use coordinate grids. I want you to at least play the game one time. You can play it a few if you would like, but this is Battleship, and it looks a little funny because it is on a computer. But we are playing this in class today with classmates, and so I wanted y'all to be able to play Battleship as well and kind of get to experience what we're doing in class. And so you can see that this is your grid. If you've never played Battleship, you have just like a graph, right? You have the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis has letters, or which is what you say first, and then the y-axis has numbers. So right now, my one square is at B1. This one square is at E1. But what you get to do is you get to move these ships around and place them wherever you would like. And then you'll press play. And you're just going to be playing against the computer, but this is your grid, and basically you're trying to find where the other opponent's ships are. So you will get to click on their grid, and it'll turn yellow if you miss, and you can see that they hit my ship, right? And once you hit the whole ship, it sinks, and your goal is to sink all of your opponent's ships before they sink yours. And if you get one correct, then you get to keep going. And it's kind of just a guessing game. You can clearly see Miss Sally is not the best at Battleship. But what I want you to do is when you are hitting the point where you want to go for their ship, I want you to practice saying, I'm going to hit B4 and then click the point where you're going to hit. So now I'm going to do E9. So make sure that you're saying the point that you're going to hit before you actually click it. That way you're practicing saying those ordered pairs and knowing where those points are. And then, of course, at the end of the game, whoever sinks their opponent's ships first wins the game. You're more than welcome to play again. You do not have to. You can see over here is the grid. So they have sunk my 4 square ship and my 3 square ship. I still have 1 3 square, 3 2 squares, and 4 1 squares left. I hope that you have fun playing this game. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for our review.